Now I'm going to be making part 2, the stack. I'm going to be doing a revolve to make this part. So I'm looking at the bottom. I see it's a circle with diameter of 0.5 and then it comes up 0.25. So I'm going to start a sketch from a plane. I'm going to do a line. The diameter of the bottom circle is 0.5, but since I'm doing a revolve I need the radius, so I'm going to go ahead and divide it by 2. Then I'm going to do a line straight up that's 0.25 based on what it gave me. Then I'm going to go ahead and come up 0.25 and then over this portion. This right here is this smaller circle, so it's going to be 0.375 divided by 2. So I'm going to go ahead and come up the 0.25 and then in 0.375 divided by 2. Okay, so that gives me that line. Then I'm going to come up here. It tells me that this is going to be 1.5. So coming straight up, 1.5. Go ahead and click on front and get this picture recentered for us. Okay. Then I'm going to come over this way. This is going to be the 0.875 divided by 2. Actually, I'm going to get rid of that dimension for right now because I believe that's actually going to be, I'm going to put a line in the middle here to use as like to dimension from, because I believe that from here all the way to here should be 0.875 divided by 2. Shoot. See if I can fix that line in place. There we go. Because that 0.875 should be from the center all the way over. And then this is going to come up 0.375. Then I come over a little bit, and then if you start looking at the edges here, this slants, and that slant's going to be at 15 degrees. And then that's coming all the way back down to the top of that 0.25. So overall, that's the look of the outside of this thing. Then we're going to do a revolve. So I'm going to finish. Hopefully everything's nice and closed. We shall see. I'm going to revolve, choosing that face, and I'm going to revolve around that middle portion right there. I'm going to hit OK, and that looks like the smokestack. There's a couple other ways you could have done this. You could have used a loft, and there are some other options, but that is our part 2, the stack.